Alright, guys, good afternoon. Today is December 17th, and it is Thursday, and it's very snowy outside. And I will give you a tour of how many feet of snow we have right here. And look at our cars. That's my husband's, and this is mine. It's all covered of snow, and my husband is snow blowing, and this is how thick it is right over here. And as you can see that, and there it is. Our dog Bobo. Bobo, look at the snow! Oh my god, it's raining, more raining! Noisy. And there you go. Oh my god, it's so freaking cold out. It's probably maybe around 7 or 8 degrees out. And I'm just like having my little jacket and snow boots, so I think I'm going in. So, to get some hot chocolate and feel a little warm. There he is. Bobo, go play, honey. Go play, go play. Look at you. Are you eating snow again? Are you eating snow again? Come here. Come here. Are you eating snow again? Are you, Arya? Oh, yes, she is. Yeah. Look at her face. Yuck. Are you cold? Yeah, I am cold too, honey. And that is our little shed, and look at the roof of our house. Stop! Why are you doing that? Oh. Yeah, our weather forecast, we're gonna probably we will going to have a foot. and it will gonna be end at 4 o'clock this afternoon, so we shall see. Alright guys, I'm gonna go end this vlog, and I hope to see you next time, and have a wonderful and warm day. Alright, see ya.